Not gonna chase other people's dreams for 50 years. It's not gonna be some old guy that you working for him forever while he gets rich and he gives you just 100K a year while he's making 100 million a year.
You like the different things, the podcast, the rap battles, all that?
Yeah.
I say that, man. What would you say to someone who missed it?
Hey, y'all gotta come watch it, man. Hey, you guys gotta see it.
You come in here to get your education first. You can still have fun with it.
Obstacles that you can overcome as well, and just like learning how to like get rid of that invisible barrier.
Never attach your self-esteem to something that changes in value. Jordans are cool, but the price can go up or down. Being athletic is great, but the value of that goes away if you get hurt. Work ethic, character, those things never change in value, and that's how you build self-esteem.
His legacy, it gotta continue whether he's here or not, whether he finishes that mission or not. And Nipsey said the marathon continues, Nipsey's gone and that marathon still continues. It still goes on. $1 million chit chat when I'm on my phone. God.